To import vCard or VCF file to your contacts list on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Contacts app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Tap Manage Contact. Tap Import Contacts. Under From section, tap Phone or Cloud Storage. And then navigate to the folder where you save the vCard or VCF file you like to import. Select the vCard or VCF file and then tap Done button. Under To section, select where to import the vCard or VCF file to. As the example, we will select Phone. Scroll down the screen. And then tap Import button. As you can see, your phone has been imported the contacts in the selected vCard or VCF file to your phone storage so that they can be displayed on your contact list. Tap OK button. Given to the function, you can do this if you like to add many contacts to your contact list without you have to save them one by one. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.